The Korowai, or people of the tree houses, build their homes 6 to 12 meters, sometimes up to 4.
Located over 20 meters up, these elevated houses help the Korowai avoid mosquitoes, snakes, and rival clans.
Constant maintenance of these lashings and floor planks is vital when your home stands higher than a 2- or 3-story building.
Swing lower here.
Ready.
Watch the fibers.
The tracks are fresh, but the storm is coming fast.
Not worth the risk today. Let's head back.
Watch out, this one is heavy. Careful when you cut, all right? Lift together now.
Is the vine secure?
Yes, pull it tight. Hand me the smoke, I'm going up.
Be careful. The thunder is getting closer.
Hurry up, the rain is coming. Watch the swarm.
You made it back safely. Look at all that honey.
We were worried the rain would stop you.
Come, warm yourself by the fire.
Are the knots secure?
Yes, pull it up slowly.
Pulling it up now.
Keep it steady, almost here.
It's heavy in the rain.
Make sure the bananas are near the drying rack.
We have enough honey for the week.
Pass me the skewers for the grubs.
of sago over here. There's plenty of honey left.
This is a good meal tonight, thanks to the hunters.
The bar is set. We are safe.
Yes. The fire is ready for us.
For the Korowai, the forest canopy, sago palms, rivers and tree house together.